Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we unlock the secrets of English step by step. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the greatest scientific minds of all time, Albert Einstein. We will discuss his life in a way that helps you practice your English. At the end of the video, we will also offer some suggestions on how to continue practicing English through stories. So stick around till the end. Before we begin, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our videos. And don't forget to like this video if you find it useful. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered about the man behind the famous theory of relativity? Or have you ever wanted to understand complex topics in simple English? Well, today we are going to do both. We will learn about Einstein's life and improve our English at the same time. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany. His parents were not rich, but they valued education and made sure that he and his sister received the best possible schooling. However, young Albert was not interested in learning. In fact, when he was 4 years old, he could not even speak properly. It was only when he turned 5 that he suddenly began speaking in full sentences. From then on, Albert was an excellent student. He learned several languages, including English, French, Italian, and Spanish. He also developed a passion for physics and mathematics. When Albert was 16, his family moved to Italy and he continued his studies there. After graduating from high school, Albert went to Switzerland to study more physics and get his teaching certificate. However, he did not want to be a teacher. Instead, he wanted to do research and develop new theories. For this reason, he returned to Germany and applied for a job at the patent office. This is when he began developing his most famous theory, the special theory of relativity. To understand this theory, let's first consider something. How would you describe someone who runs faster than the speed of light? Impossible, right? Because nothing can move faster than light. That's where the theory of relativity comes in. Einstein showed that if something moves very fast, time slows down for that object. The faster it moves, the slower time goes for that object compared to someone who is not moving or moving very slowly. This means that if you could run at almost the speed of light, you could travel into the future. Of course, this is just a theory, and it has never been proven. But it is still one of the most important theories in physics. After developing this theory, Einstein became famous and was offered a job at the University of Zurich. He accepted the job and moved to Switzerland with his wife and 2 sons. However, after a few years, he decided to move to the United States. In the US, he got a job at Princeton University. There, he continued his research and developed another important theory, the general theory of relativity. This theory explains how gravity works and how space and time are related. It also explains how black holes and other strange objects in the universe can exist. During World War II, Einstein was concerned about the development of nuclear weapons. Although he himself was not a pacifist, he signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt warning him about the potential danger of nuclear weapons. The letter convinced Roosevelt to start the Manhattan Project, which developed the first atomic bombs. After the war, Einstein became an outspoken advocate for peace and understanding between nations. What did Einstein do in his free time? What hobbies did he have? Einstein enjoyed playing the violin. He also liked to swim and sail. One of the most interesting facts about Einstein is that he was not a neat person. He often forgot to pay bills or buy food. Fortunately, his wife took care of these things because he simply couldn't be bothered. What kind of personality did Albert Einstein have? Was he introverted or extroverted? Albert Einstein was an introvert. He was a shy and modest person, despite being extremely intelligent. He didn't like parties or public events, but he loved spending time alone, thinking about the universe. According to his friends, Einstein was always curious about everything and asked many questions. He also had a great sense of humor and enjoyed making people laugh. Einstein died on April 18, 1955. At the age of 76, he left behind a legacy of scientific discovery and humanitarianism that continues to inspire people around the world. Now that we have discussed Einstein's life, let's look at some ways you can continue learning English through stories. One way is to read books or articles about interesting people like Albert Einstein. You can also watch documentaries or movies about their lives. Finally, you can join a book club or discussion group to share your thoughts and learn from others. All these activities can help you improve your listening, reading, speaking, and writing skills while also expanding your knowledge and understanding of different topics. Let's now answer some questions based on the story. Make sure to write down your answers in the comments section below. Question No. 1. Where was Einstein born? Answer: Einstein was born in Germany. Question number 2. What was Einstein's first famous theory? Answer: Einstein's first famous theory was the special theory of relativity. Question number 3. What instrument did Einstein play? Answer: Einstein played the violin. Question No. 4. When did Einstein die? Answer: Einstein died in 1955. Question No. 5. According to the story, what kind of person was Albert Einstein? Answer: Albert Einstein was an introvert. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on any of our videos. And you can also check out our other videos to continue learning English. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Here are some other videos to help you continue learning English. Click on a video that interests you and keep learning.